This is William Michael of the Classical Liberal Arts Academy, and in this video I'm going to provide students with a guide through the letters of the Greek alphabet. Here you can see the 24 letters of the Greek alphabet. The letters in red are the Greek vowels. The letters in black are the Greek consonants. There are 7 vowels and 17 consonants in Greek. Let's study the names of the Greek letters. Alpha, alpha. Beta, beta. Gamma, gamma. Delta, delta. Epsilon, epsilon. Zeta, zeta. Eta, eta. Theta, theta. Iota, iota. Kappa, kappa. Lambda, lambda. Mu, mu. Nu, nu. Xi, xi. Omicron, omicron. Pi, pi. Rho, rho. Sigma, sigma. Tau, tau. Upsilon, upsilon. Phi, phi. Chi, chi. Psi, psi. Omega, omega. These are the 24 letters of the Greek alphabet. Recite these names until you have them all memorized, then prove your mastery on the lesson quiz. God bless your studies.